I could write you a million motivational quotes. I could show you 1,000 before and afters. I could create the best and most effective workouts designed especially for you. But the truth is, you have to understand that if you do not listen when your body whispers, you will hear it scream. You need to understand we all have only one life, one body, and a million reasons to keep it fit and healthy. Here are my reasons. What are yours? And how bad you want it? The distance between dreams and reality is called action. All right, you guys, what we got here today, Aqua Pilates 10 best floating water exercises with resistance ankle cuffs. You can see them all in one 90-minute complete workout available only on demand Aqua Workouts platform. Make sure you check this out. You won't be disappointed. Today, these goodies. Oh boy, you know I'm in love with these gear. Guys, if you decide to shop for resistance ankle cuffs, make sure you choose the right size. In this video, I'm gonna introduce you two options. One, black, heavy resistance for advanced aquaholics only. And then blue ones, which is medium for newbies, for aqua virgins. Here you can see me dealing and struggling with the black version of it, and I'm telling you, these are tough. Now, to order yours and support the existence of this channel, follow the link that you see on the screen, plus get additional 10% off your first order. This is affiliate link, and it's gonna be so much easier to find what you're looking for if you go to my store, created especially for you. Just a while ago, I created 10 best standing Pilates exercises, and I want to make sure you see that video as well. This would be great for anybody who's maybe afraid of swimming, floating, or just wants to do a little bit more. Floating exercises are today. I cannot wait to show you what I got for you. Hey, before we start, make sure you like the video, comment, and obviously subscribe to my channel. You can like it already, I promise you're gonna like it. First exercise. This one is kind of standing and floating, lunge. Look, right leg forward, left leg back, core engaged. We're dragging arms forward, out, back 6 times. Come back to the starting position, and then kick both feet forward, back, and then drop your feet to the ground, switching legs. So now you have your left leg ahead of you. You follow with the same arm moves. You can do 6, 8, and really, if you want, you can do rollovers twice or 3 times. I decided to do 6 arm moves and roll over just once, and now I'm switching legs. I love it. You guys gonna enjoy it. Let me get a little bit closer so you can see everything. Please make sure you are not leaning forward or sideways. Those shoulders must stay above hips. Core, my friends, super engaged. This is a total body exercise, and those ankle cuffs are just making everything so much better. You ready for the next one? Ooh, wall Pilates. Number 2, knee curls aside. Notice my body is in line, but in that angled position. As I exhale, I drag both knees in toward chest, and I push my hand back, just like that. I am supported with one hand on the side of the pool. Make sure you do enough reps to feel that burn in your belly, and then obviously switch side. This is 2 arms supported on the wall. You can consider this version too. Number 3, frog jumps, and we're gonna add floating chair in a moment. Watch. Kick your legs forward, open them out, close them back in, and then press those feet back down to the bottom of the pool. It looks great, right? And it is great. Here's the frog. Here's the second part. Now, when you kick your legs forward, you don't want to float exactly on your back. You want to maintain that kind of like a chair position. Watch me now. You see? Don't dip your head back. You need to feel that you have some sort of control over those ankle cuffs. If you would choose the big ones, black ones, that you probably would struggle unless you're super strong. Number 4, both hands on the wall, my friends. On your exhale, curl right knee into the wall, push your toe back down. Notice those toes are touching the bottom of the pool every single time. Exhale, curl, come back to starting position, inhale. Keep on going with the tempo that allows you to fully exhale. Obviously, you can choose to go faster, but your breathing must catch up. Can you do it? Number 5, side position with only one arm support. We're now gonna do mountain climbers. So you're gonna jump over and then boom, diamond jump. Oh, wow, this one is a challenging one. Please notice we are no longer touching the bottom of the pool. If you want to start basic version, you're just gonna face the wall and you're gonna do the same version with touching the bottom of the pool and then adding diamond jump. But guess what? I've been doing this for a while, for like 20 years. So I'm just showing off today. I am so curious which exercise from this list will be your favorite one. You guys definitely let me know in the comments. Number 6, mountain climbers. Again, you can choose floating version or toe down. And in a moment, we're gonna add side split. This is so cool. I feel like cheerleader. Open up those legs as much as you can, then drag those legs back in. What a challenge for inner thighs and out thighs. Any tempo will do as long as you feel this is the maximum range of motion. Do not ever follow speed when you do Pilates. Range of motion, great form. This kind of stuff. Ooh, yes, you can add rollover, but I will show you this version in a moment. Love it. This one is definitely my number 1. What do you think? Number 7, side leg lift, ankle kiss, and then we're gonna do knee tuck turn. Well, I'm just showing you this first segment facing you, but we'll definitely need to hold the wall for this one. So it's the same side plank position, angled. Lift up your leg all the way up, drag it back in, do it again, and now watch. The bottom leg is dragged up, down, Then we come back to starting position, tuck those knees, and turn without touching the bottom of the pool. This one is on my advanced exercises list for sure. Number 8, mountain climbers with diamond jumps. Now we are touching the bottom of the pool. Not that it's easier, it's just different version of it. Both hands supported, get a good grip. On your exhale, tuck those knees out and up. Try keep your feet together. Do a couple more, watch me from here. You see? Our leg position eventually will remind that diamond shape. And yes, you can do floating version of it as well. This exercise when you face the wall would be much easier than when you turn to the side. So definitely consider both options and see which one works for you today. And then also consider adding a little more challenge in the future. Don't be stuck with the same stuff forever. Guys, if you've enjoyed this video so far, I think I deserve a like. Come on. If this video gets 1,000 likes, we're making another one. How's that? Number 9, mountain climbers, and we're gonna add leg extension. Wait for that. This one you already know. Watch. Extension. Switch legs. Oh yeah. Curl your left knee in. Here you got your mountain climbers. If you do odd number like 7, you're gonna end it up on the opposite side each time. Extension, switch legs, yes. On your exhale, curl this knee in, yay. Mountain climbers. Pause it. Very nice. Extend your leg back, engaging those glutes, that's important. And I'll switch legs. Nice. Definitely take your time and do this exercise correctly. If you guys eventually jump on board to on-demand Aqua workouts, I will guide you through all of those. It's important to know how to do each exercise correctly. Number 10, mountain climbers, split and roll over. My absolutely favorite. Yay. You already know mine. I'm so curious which one is on your top list. Roll over. Did you see that? Let me show you again. Floating version, mountain climbers. We're doing it. On your exhale, split. Push those feet to the wall. Drag your arms back and then push your feet back. Place your hands back on the wall. Awesome, awesome. Guys, there's gonna be one more video with some yoga, best water yoga exercises coming very soon. So definitely subscribe. Check the notification bell button. This is how YouTube lets you know I am posting something new. And again, when you're ready for full version, for full workout, check out on-demand Aqua workouts. You're gonna love it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.